In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show grid lines in Canva. If you've ever tried to line up text, images, or shapes in Canva just by eye, you already know how easy it is for things to look slightly off. A design can be almost perfect, but if the spacing is uneven or elements aren't aligned properly, the final result can feel unpolished. The good news is that Canva gives you built-in guide tools to make layout work much easier. And once you know where to find them, the process is very simple. To begin, open Canva and load the design you want to work on. From your homepage, find the project in your recent designs and open it so you're inside the main editing workspace. Once the design is open, click somewhere on the canvas area so you can clearly focus on the page you want to adjust. Next, move your attention to the top left area of the screen and click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your project and workspace. From there, look for View Settings. When you hover over it or click it depending on your version of Canva, you'll see more display and layout options appear. This is where Canva keeps the tools that help you control what you see while designing. Now, in that View Settings menu, click Show Guides. As soon as you do that, any guides already set up for your design will appear over the canvas. These lines are there to help you align content more accurately, but they won't show up in your exported file, so you can use them freely while editing. If you want even more control over your layout, stay in the same area and click Add Guides. This opens Canva's guide setup options, where you can choose a layout that suits your design. For example, you might use a multi-column grid for a newsletter, a rule of thirds style layout for visual balance, or a custom grid if you want more precise structure. This is especially helpful when you're arranging multiple pieces of content and want everything to feel consistent. Once your guides are visible, take a moment to review your design. Check that your text boxes, images, and shapes align neatly with the guidelines and that the spacing feels balanced across the page. This quick check can make a big difference in the overall quality of the design. When everything looks right, go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG as the file type if that suits your project, and then click Download. Your exported design will be clean and professional with no guidelines showing in the final file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.